Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's painting, you will need a canvas, a jar of water, acrylic paint, paint brushes, and a mixing palette. If you're interested in getting these art supplies for yourself, I will make sure to leave a link to these products in the description box. I'm starting with a rough sketch of the boy and the girl. I started painting the sky with ultramarine blue, and then I went ahead and used sky blue to create a gradient. I'm using orange to cover the bottom part of the canvas, after which I applied yellow right above the orange part. The paint that I'm using is quite runny, so I haven't mixed any water to it, but if you are using acrylic paint that is thick and you feel like it requires some water, then you can go ahead and mix some water to it. I've used some white here to create a transition between blue and yellow. If you feel like there is a harsh line, then you can add more paint and keep blending. Just make sure your canvas is still wet. I was being very impatient and applied yellow over blue when the paint was still wet and the end result was green clouds. Make sure your canvas has completely dried before you move ahead with this step. I mixed some white, yellow and orange to create a peachy shade and applied it on the mess that I created once the paint had completely dried. I added some more white to the peachy shade that we made earlier for highlights. For outlining the silhouette, I have used a detailer brush. This looked a little flat to me, so I decided to add some highlights. You can mix orange with black to create some brown, or just use brown if you have. Mix some white and black to create a grey shade for the highlights on the guy's shirt. To make the painting look more beautiful, you can add a few elements like birds, bushes, and flowers. I went a little off camera here by painting the edges, so let's just skip this part. Adding stars makes such a huge difference to the painting and makes it look so dreamy. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe for more such videos, and thank you for watching.